Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another vlog. Today guys, we are going to Birmingham with Biami. Guys, we are going to Birmingham because today YT YouTube has a creators event happening and we have been invited. We made it for the guest list. Woo! Yeah, made it for the guest list. It's my first YouTube event. I think that we're going to have one last a couple of months ago, but it got cancelled. But I'm so glad that they've got another one and I made it through. So yeah, so we're currently driving to Birmingham. So we've got bowling, evening of fun, and meeting other creators. I can't wait to mingle, play and connect with all of you guys. So guys, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do me a massive favor. You subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more content, more vlogs on this channel, let me know. Okay, let me know if you enjoy my vlogs and I'm happy to share them with you. Currently with Biami, make sure you check out her channel. The podcast is fire. We've got more content coming up from the podcast. Simply Ami as well, and Biami, check her channels out. Okay, with that being said guys, we're driving. We're running a little bit late, but we're gonna get there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Make sure you submit the videos Sunday night.
There must have been music in the background.
We're going out.
We're going on. We just finished the event. Let me feel you. Alright. Okay guys, all done. We left the boarding alley, heading back to the car park now. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I really hope you have enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And look at this is cute. Cute heart. So the event was incredible. So if you are a content creator, make sure you check your mailbox, okay? Because you might be getting an invite to one of these events. They are going to be doing it more regularly. And have you got far to travel?
One more. Let's search YouTube.
Yeah, honestly. This is the QR code.
Look at you getting a QR code.
Okay. Be easier softly, yeah. Switch. We are connecting right now. So.
What type of content do you have?
I do lifestyle. I do lifestyle, health and fitness, wellness content. Yeah.
That's interesting then. Search that properly. You can't find me. You can't find yourself.
Sorry. Oh, yeah. No.
It's got you down.
Yeah. Yeah. So I do a bit of everything.
Thank you. Then I'm praying the first few seconds so that it comes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You want to
Oh, wow, you really had fun, girl.
My date has been like this. It's Namaka K Monahek, South African in UK.
Oh wow! You know what? I just did an interview with a South African who came.
Yeah, so we are currently
Telling me life what it's like being in SA.
Yeah. Now,
This is literally the only place where content creators are not judged.
that you can have your
I
camera.
was actually looking at how everyone was having the camera and nobody was saying none.
Exactly. It's like just do you. Film your content however you want to put it.
And you know where you're like, when you're vlogging, and you're like, you don't want to see people. And today I'm like, I was so, at first I was like, oh, I'm showing people. And then I'm like, oh,
Yeah, because when you play back, because that's the thing, when you play back to edit, you're like, oh man, I should have done it this way, I should have edited. And it's just like, oh.
People don't want to see them.
Yeah.
You don't want to get in trouble.
Exactly.
I told you that I want.
Because you never know. What's your what content do you do? But
I left a comment, you see?
Yo guys, I need to go there.
So you find me there when I say
how long have you been
because the lady was talking about now it's my time, no longer about the kids, I need to shoot my dog.
Actually, I actually took like a long break and it's very difficult to like get back again, to get my views back again. Come on, girl. So it's
I think it's his channel.
Yeah, and then we can connect on Instagram as well.
12.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Right, ladies.
But ladies, it's been amazing.
Bye.
Safe drive home. I know, it's been great. We'll catch up in the next one. Right. What lovely, lovely, lovely time. So, just catching up with some more creators along the way. We are heading back. Jay, where you go? Look up. It's straight.
I'm so thirsty.
Right, let me just put this away. Yeah, because I need to finish my outro and put my camera away because this is no longer. But yeah, so
Safe zone.
I know, right? But
Quite a few people put that camera.
I should actually put it in low light mode. But yeah guys, so all done, heading back home. As you guys can see, it's late, so I have to head back now. But it has been a great evening, and if you are new, you want to get into content creating and you think that, you know, there were so many people who there was there was people with hundreds and thousands of subscribers. There was people less than 1,000 subscribers. So I'm just gonna put my camera away now.